everyone, welcome to Collegewali PADHAI. So today we'll start the second episode of Maths. On today's concept will be region of integration. Previously we had learned about double and triple integration. Today we will move towards region of integration. So let's get started. Let me start writing from here. So if we see curve like this, so this is y is equal to f1x, y is equal to f2x, and we can do this dot 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 dot. Here x equal to a, x equal to b. So this is the diagram. So can anyone tell that which is the common area and how many areas are there? Suppose this we can consider as one area, this we can consider as one area, this we can consider as one area. This is an open area, this is an open area, this is an open area, this is also open area, this is also open area, this is open area, this is open area. This is a closed area, but it is not common to all as this does not have any relation to this. So which one is the most common area? So this is the most common area. So from this position we can find the area of the bounded region. So this one is the bounded region. Understood? So this is the diagram. Let me tell you some of the facts. When we write y with respect to x, when we write y with respect to x, then it is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. And when we write x with respect to y, then it is parallel to y-axis. In the next cases we will see. So this is the most important point. So from this diagram, can we write the integration part? First let us write dy dx, integration. So what limit can we give for this? If we consider, see, dy dx is there, so we have to create a strain. Strain is a longitudinal part, just like this. We have to create a strain like this. In this strain, it has, since it is dy and dx, which is coming up first, dy. So then the strain must be parallel to y-axis, and if it will be dx dy, then the strain will be parallel to x-axis. So this is basically the concept. Let me erase this. So this is the strain. It has 2 points, one point over here and another point over here. Let me do it near the color yellow. I will try. So this is the uppermost point, this is the lowermost point. This upper point is called as upper touch. Let me write it in black or else it's not visible. This is called as upper touch. Upper touch. And this lower part is called as lower touch. So we have created a strain over here parallel to y-axis, and this is, it creates 2 points here and here. Here it is called as upper touch, here it is called as lower touch. And in the, if we are making a limit like this, then here we have to put lower touch and here we have to put upper touch. So it is dy and dx. Dy is there. What we can write in lower touch, it is f1x, and in upper touch it is f2x. And in, if we take a stretch like this, it is x equal to a to b. This can be also written as dx integration a to b integration dy f1x f2x. Okay. So this was about the first one. Let us sum up once again. Now we need a pen of any other color. It is dark blue. Let us take blue. So this is the diagram which we have taken. Here the curly lines are parallel to x-axis as f is equal to f of x, if y is equal to f of x, means when we are writing y with respect to x, then it must be parallel to x-axis, and it is parallel to x-axis, and dotted lines are drawn with respect to or parallel to y-axis, and the red lines shows the area of the bounded region or the common region which makes a relation to all other regions. And here we create 2 points. This is the upper touch and it's a lower touch. As it was dy and dx, first dy is there, so the strain was drawn parallel to y-axis. If it would be dx and dy, then the strain would be parallel to x-axis. So this was all about the topic. Then let's move on to the next part. If I am drawing a curve parallel to y-axis, this is what? X is equal to phi 1 y, then x is equal to phi 2 y, then here dot 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 y is equal to c, y is equal to d. Try this. Integration dx dy. Can anyone tell the area of the common region? Of course, I told you in the previous case. This one only. And where the strain will be drawn? Anyone can tell where the strain will be drawn. Here what it is written, dx and dy. As dx is first, so the strain will be parallel to x-axis. Let me make the strain is parallel to x-axis. And this one is the upper touch. Make it little. So this one is basically the upper touch, and this is basically the lower touch. This is upper touch, this is lower touch. So we can write like this, dy, then integration dx. Dx we can give, what is the lower? Lower to higher, no, lower is phi 1y. Phi 1y. Upper is phi 2y. Then here c to d. We can take it like this, then it moves from c to d. Just imagine. Simple. First we will solve this one, then we'll move on to this one. So this was all about it. Then let's move on to a simple example. So these are the both cases. Now let's move on to the simple example. Dy dx integration minus root over of 1 minus x square root over of 1 minus x square, then again integration minus 1 to 1. So this is basically, you can take it as an example. We can consider this as y1. As in previous video I told you that if you see x over here, you have to take its corresponding. Corresponding of x is y, so this is y1. Then this is obviously y2. This is x1. This is x2. These are the basic things which I had already taught you in the previous video. Then this is alright. Y is equal to root over of or minus root over of 1 minus x square. So basically y1 is minus root over of 1 minus x square. We can consider as equal to. If I square both of these, then y square equal to plus or minus 1 minus x square. Understood? If I square both the sides, then y square is equal to plus or minus 1 minus x square. Or I can also say that in positive conditions, x square plus y square equal to 1. So what we got? X square plus y square equal to 1. Then how can we draw this? X square plus y square equal to 1. Sorry. Let's start drawing. How can we draw x square plus y square equal to 1? Let's start drawing. Yeah, we'll draw it over here. First, we'll do this simple goal. Then this whole area is area bounded region, whole part. and I think it was dy dx. Yeah, it was dy dx. Then the strain will be parallel to y-axis. So this one is, now here is a point, here is a point. This is x equal to 1. This is x equal to minus 1. And as it was dy dx, then the strain must be parallel to y-axis. And this one is the upper touch. This one is the lower touch. It is upper touch. It is lower touch. And its value is root over of 1 minus x square. Its value is minus root over of 1 minus x square. So these are all the basic concepts and things. So now I want you to move to questions, because now I have told you what the concept is about. So it would be better to move on to the questions. Not much, we will do at least 2 to 3 questions, minimum 2 questions. Let's get started. Let me use the text to write the questions. Okay. What's the size? Okay, capital. So evaluate size is too small. Okay, so I don't know why the size is too small. Yeah. Okay. Evaluate means how can I? Okay, let me write the question first. E small e. Array. Okay, small you take it as. Why it's showing problem, I don't know. Evaluate. I will write the question with the help of pen. Where D is the region bounded by straight line where y equal to x, comma y equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So this is the question basically. So let me write the question with the help of red pen. It's actually integration e to the power y by x. It's y. Let me write it correctly. E to the power y by x dx dy dx dy. So this is basically the question. Let me also write it over here. Integration e to the power y by x dx dy. If you can't read over here, you can refer it over here. Where D is the region bounded by straight line, y is equal to x, y equal to 0 and x equal to 1. Okay, let's consider the curve. First, y equal to x. As we know that y equal to x is nothing but this one, y equal to 0. This is y equal to x. Yeah. Then this is y equal to 0, x equal to 1. Take at here as x equal to 1. Here it creates a point of intersection, and we can name this point as A. If x equal to 1, y is equal to x is equal to 1. So then x comma y makes the so then x comma y makes the point A, whose point is 1 comma 1. Let me write it over here also, 1 comma 1. Understood? So can anyone tell which is the area of the bounded region? How many places you have? This is open area, open area, open area. This one is closed area. So this is basically the reason. And as it is given dx dy, then we have to make the strain in with parallel to x-axis. Sorry. So this is the upper touch, this is the lower touch. Now let's start solving the problem. Keeping view with this respect to this diagram. We'll write integration dy integration dx. Dx, what we can write? It goes from 1. No, it goes from 0 to 1. Here lower touch, then we have to go to higher touch, no. And for y, it goes from here to here, no, 0 to x. Yeah. And it is, here I have forgotten to write, e to the power y by x. So many of you might feel that this is quite difficult to solve. Yeah, it's true. I can also show you it's quite difficult to solve. So if I am writing this, so what I am doing, equal to integration 0 to x. Why it's being written like this? Oh shit. Actually these stylus pens are creating a lot of problem. Equal to integration of 0 to x dy, then integration of e to the power y by x is e to the power y by x whole divided by 1 by x. Then we have to put the values of x as 0 and 1. Then it will be quite difficult, as let me tell you by using with the help of red pen. This will come as x e to the power y by x. It is initially. What's the problem? I don't know. it is x e to the power y by x, where in place of x we need to put 1, then e to the power y, then dy. On integrating that also we will get e to the power y. But this is wrong. Don't follow this step. If you have already known that this thing is not going to work, then I have a super plan for it. Take this dx over here. Understood? Let me do it little slightly brighter. Take this, if you are thinking that this integration won't work, then take this dx over here and take this dy over here. Don't change the position of the, why it's not going, don't change the position of the main question. So replace, or else in short I can say replace dy and dx. Also replace the limits. This limit must go here and this limit must come over here. So let me solve this question directly. So I'm moving downwards. Then it will be, if I write e to the power y by x dy integration of 0 to x, here dx integration of 0 to 1, then what we can do, dx integration of e to the power y by x divided by 1 by x whole to the power 0 to x. Then this can be written as x e to the power y by x. So then this can be written as x e minus 1 dx integration 0 to 1. Then what I will do, this is constant, I will take it out. E minus 1 is a constant, I took it out, then 0 to 1 x dx. It's quite simple. It will be, this will be the x square by 2. Then we have to give the values from 0 to 1. Answer will be half into e minus 1. Let me write the answer correctly, proper manner, or else many won't understand. Half bracket e minus 1. So this is basically the answer, correct answer. If anyone has done it, he or she can cross check. So this was about the first question of our region of integration. You can take a screenshot and then while you are doing any kind of self-study, where you can zoom in and check out the process. That's why I have zoomed out. taken screenshot. Let me zoom at the question. Again, you can take the screenshot. If you can't read it over here, consider this one. This is the question. Done. Now let's move on to the last question. Then rest you do your own research. Okay, now I am doing the second one. So I have to use the text one. Okay. Evaluate the question. I will write it over here. Over the region bounded by y-axis x-axis ordinate at x equal to 2a and parabola x square is equal to 4ay. Why spelling mistakes are going on? I don't. Parabola x square. What is this? X square. This is not x2. This is actually x square. X square is equal to 4ay. Okay, then let me write the question over here. This is so this question is integration xy dx dy. Yeah, so this is the question. So what's given over here? First we have to do this. With the evaluate integration xy dx dy over the region bounded by x-axis ordinate at x equal to 2 and parabola x square equal to 4ay. Oh, x square equal to 4ay. Then this is the parabola. This is x square equal to 4ay. Then bounded by x-axis ordinate at x equal to 2a. Let me do this once more. Because I need to create space. So this is x equal to 2a. So where can we find the bounded region? This can be considered as the bounded region. Yeah, this is the bounded region. And this is x square. X square equal to 4ay, x equal to 2a. Then what to do? How to start off? Then this is the point of what? Intersection. We can name the point as A. We know that x equal to 2a and x square equal to 4ay. 4ay. X square can be 4a square as x equal to 2a is equal to 4ay and 4 can be cancelled, a can be cancelled, then a is equal to 1. So this point A will be x is 2a, then y is a. So at this point of intersection, at point A, the coordinates are 2A and A. Now let's move towards the question. So we have to set the limits. How we can do the setting of limits? Integration xy, what it was given in the question, dx dy, If I take this parallel to x-axis as it is given dx dy, I think it will be from 0 to 2a. No. I think if we create a strip parallel to x-axis, it won't work. Means the integration will not be proper one. So I will take it with respect to y. Means I will consider like this, not like this. Let me erase this one. Yeah. If someone feels that while creating the strip with respect to x is not generating a proper result, then you need to replace dy by dx along with the limits of the integrals. So now let's move on. Dx. This is 2 root y root ay, so to 2a, then dy 0 to a. Then we can write it as integration 0 to a dy. On integrating this, we will get x square y by 2. This is 2a. This is 2 root over of ay. Done. Then, as 1 by 2 is a constant, we can take it out and write it like half. Then integration of 0 to a x square y, sorry, x square y. Then we have to put the values of 2 root over of ay and then 2a. Then this can be written as, let me be short, 4. Okay, I will write in a proper manner. Why to be in a hurry? This can be written as half integration of 0 to a 4a square y minus 4ay square into dy. Yeah. So this is the thing. Then we have to integrate with respect to y. Half, then 4a square y square by 2 minus 4a y cube by 3 is we have to put the values of 0 to 8. This can be cut 1, 2. On cutting this, it will be equal to half to a square y square minus 4ay cube by 3. This is actually 3. 0 to a. Then on putting value of a, can write it as half, then 2a to the power 4 minus 4a to the power 4 divided by 3. So this can be further written as equal to half 6a to the power 4 minus 4a to the power 4 divided by 3. This is 3. So the answer will be a to the power 4 divided by 3. This is the answer. A to the power 4 divided by 3. Yeah, if anyone has done, he or she can again recheck. Let me zoom it out so that everyone can take a screenshot. And then later on, he or she can zoom the screen and check it out. Done. So let me zoom in the question and diagram. Taken a screenshot. Okay. So at the end of the video, I say one thing which I want to tell today also. A big thank you to all those who watched the video till the end. So if you watch the video till here, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.